Entertainment News.
Ito namang Pinoy musician, paparangalan bilang Composer of the Year sa American Music Awards sa Hollywood. May chika dyan ng Star FM Manila.
Feeling blessed ang Pinoy premier saxophonist na si John Ray Pagalan sa kanyang pagkilalang natanggap bilang Outstanding Composer of the Year ng America Music Awards na gaganapin sa North Hollywood, California, USA. 5 taong gulang nang magsimulang mag-aral si John Ray ng piano at saxophone at noon rin ay sumali na ito sa mga singing competitions. Filipino mga awitin ang kanyang sinusulat dahil layon umano niyang maibida ang makabayan na musika. Sa panayam ng Star FM Manila kay Pagalan, ibinahagi nito ang kanyang mga natutunan sa kanyang journey bilang isang musician.
There was a time in my career that I have set standards and timelines of what I am as an artist. Gusto kong sumikat because one, self-pride, self-everything. Then again, doon po ako talaga naghirap, not only in everything but spiritually, is because mali po yung rason na gusto kong mangyari. There came a time na before pandemic, I was supposed to tour Europe and US and I thought that was it. That's my vindication sa career ko. But naputol, bigla, yung hate ko as pagkatao, as an artist, nagsimulang nag-burn sa sarili ko. Nilet go po ko ma'am ang lahat ng kamunduhan ko po na mga ambisyon. And because of that, ma'am, I have written composition hoping to inspire everyone. And never ko na po talaga in-expect na magkakaroon ako ng awards for that matter because I am serving for His glory, not for my glory alone.
Si Pagalan ay madalas ring magtanghal sa mga malls. Samantala, magaganap ang America Music Awards sa May 24. Mula sa Star FM Manila, nag-uulat Star DJ Ivana Darna para sa #1 and most trusted radio network in the country, Bamba Radio Philippines. Basta Radio, Bombo!